In this video, I'll show you how to highlight duplicates in Google Sheets in just a few simple steps. It's a quick tutorial, so stick around till the end. First, open your Google Sheets file and select the range of cells you want to check for duplicates. Next, go to the top menu, click Format, and select Conditional Formatting. In the Conditional Format Rules panel, look under Format Rules and choose Custom Formula Is. Now enter this formula. Make sure to replace AA with the actual column containing your data. Pick a bold fill color to highlight the duplicates, something that really stands out. Finally, click Done. Close the panel, and you're all set. Your duplicate values will now be easy to spot and manage. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe. Drop a comment saying, "I subscribed," so I can personally thank you. Thanks for watching, and take care.